So I'm on the Forestport feeder between Hawkinsville and Forestport. There's a couple culverts up here. Me and the family are doing fall foliage to run in the Adirondacks. So we're coming by here and I've been to the most northern of the culverts. I suspected there was another one over here. And I haven't been down there yet. But I was looking for water that's running underneath the canal. It's got to be coming from somewhere. So I assume it's not a leak, it's got to be a culvert, right? Or a weir. But you would see the weir. Well, boom, look at these. Nice limestone blocks. And this is a bigger culvert than the last one, which is maybe a 6 to 8 foot culvert, but it's tall. This one looks considerably larger. And she's tall too. Just looking down there, look at that. You see the cribbing, wooden planks that the culvert's been built on so it doesn't sink. So this is nice. Let's go down there. Even have some nice steps to get down. Never seen this culvert before, so I'm pretty excited. Taking my time, gonna fall down the hill or something. I've done it. And it's not undiscovered. You see there's a nice trail coming down here. Oh geez, she's a beauty. That was worth a 5-minute walk from Williams Road. There's a bridge, it looks like a private bridge going across the canal. I just parked off the edge and walked down the old towpath towards Boonville. Thankfully this one's shaded so I can actually record it. Let's see if I can get a better look at this. See, blinded by the sun. There, got out of the sun. You can see her better. And she's unique. I'm right about dead on. And if you can tell the north side, the side to the left, that wing wall swings out a lot more. You see this one over here. It's a much more sharp bend to direct the water, I would guess. Boy, what a nice culvert. This old culvert is just so beautiful. I can't help but catch every vantage possible. Something. It's basically like a half a circle. "15 to 20 feet in height." So right there's where the culvert is, the exit, the outlet. This is looking over at the Black River Canal Forestport feeder and the prison that goes over that. Really nice culvert. So just on the other side there's another one. Not another culvert, but another. This, instead of being an outlet, would be the inlet. I'm not sure what you call those, so if you know, let me know in the comments. Also, if you know what culvert number this is, I believe there was 4 of them on this feeder canal. There's the one just to the north of that bridge, smaller one, and then there's this one. I don't know how many more exist.